Fancy a classy yet simple meal for dinner? This halibut fillets with creamy saffron sauce is both and a whole lot more. Try out this recipe for tonight and take your dining experience to a whole nother level. Start by adding the yogurt into a bowl. Season it with salt and ground black pepper to taste, then add in the jalapeno pepper and shallot. Whisk the ingredients together to combine. Next, rub the saffron threads using your fingers to crush it before stirring it into the mixture. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, season the halibut fillets with salt, ground black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Set it aside and into a skillet, melt the unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add in the fillets and cook it for less than 10 minutes, turning it once or twice until a thin-bladed knife meets little resistance when inserted to the fish's thickest part. Once cooked, remove from the heat and place it on a plate. Now pour over the lemon juice before transferring to a serving plate with vegetables of your choice on the side. Top the fillet with a creamy saffron sauce and garnish with spring onion before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.